Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to use the Yuka app, and I will leave you a link to download the Yuka app at the bottom of the video in the comment or in the first comment. But before broadcasting in the explanation, I would like to thank everyone who supports me and everyone who participated in the channel. And do not forget to subscribe and press the like button and shares the video. Now let's go to here's the first step, my friend, is to go to the link in the first comment and download the application. After that you open it. Now you can register via email. Just click on this icon and the registration will be done directly, and you fill in the information, name and password for the email. After registering in the application, it will now open for you. The way the application works, it is very simple. All you have to do is click on this word scan, and you will direct the camera, for example, on this product, and as you can see, in a few seconds it reads the QR or barcode for this product and gives you all the information for this product and all the components. Also, you can try another product. For example, I will try this product. Just click here and direct the camera to this code. And so you do the same process on all the products you want, reading it, knowing its products, its healthy ingredients, and everything else. This was the topic of today. I hope you liked it and benefited, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.